Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to go. Once everything is up and running, you're ready to begin the removal process. To start removing OneDrive from your system, navigate to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar and click on it. When the Start menu opens, type in Control Panel and press Enter. This will launch the Control Panel window, which gives you access to various system settings and programs. Once the Control Panel appears, look for the section labeled Programs. Under this section, you'll see an option that says Uninstall a program. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the Programs and Features menu, where you can manage all the software installed on your Windows 11 computer. Now, you'll be presented with a complete list of all the applications currently installed on your system. From this list, scroll down until you locate Microsoft Onedrive. This is the cloud storage application that comes pre-installed with Windows 11, and it's what we're here to remove today. When you find Microsoft Onedrive in the list, right-click on it. A small menu will appear with the Uninstall option. Click on Uninstall to begin the removal process. This action tells Windows that you want to completely remove OneDrive from your computer. After clicking Uninstall, an uninstallation progress bar will appear on your screen. This bar shows you the removal process in real time as Windows removes OneDrive from your system. Just wait for a moment while this process completes. Depending on your system's performance, this should only take a few seconds to finish. And that's it. You've successfully removed OneDrive from your Windows 11 computer, freeing up system resources and removing the cloud storage integration from your PC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.